Hey kiddos, so today we're going to be doing topic 8 assessment. It's bright red on the side, okay? So if you need to go get it, pause the video, and if not, then let's rock and roll. All right. It says blank is one group of 10, and 4 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we remember how to put these two together? We can do them by counting individually, right? Or we can count by 10 and then by ones. Or we can look at the top number, right? Because the 1 goes in the front if it's in the tens place, and the 4 goes in the ones place. All right, so what do you think the answer is? Yep, and there we go. Okay. All right, number 2, I'm going to help you figure out what this is, but then you have to figure out what this is on the bottom, okay? So 42 is blank groups of 10 and 2 left over, so 2. So we're going to count these to make sure that each one has 10 in it. So I'm going to cross it out as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now it's asking for how many groups, not how many cubes, how many groups we have. Okay? So pick an answer and then we'll go on to number 3. Do you think it's 2 groups, 4 groups, 20 groups, or 40 groups? Okay. Now remember to draw our arrows because 10s go with 10s and 1s go with 1s, right? Okay. So I'm going to count how many 10 groups I have. Each column has 10 in it. So I don't need to count the cubes. I need to count the column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 5 tens. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. All right, let's put those two numbers together. Remember, 5 goes first because 5's in the 10 spot. And 10s always go first. And then there's the ones. What's our answer? 57, right? Okay, and your answer for number 2 should have been B. There's 4 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, let's flip the page. All right, it says, which of these are ways to show 11? Choose all that apply. That means that could be more than one. Okay, 110. So I'm going to draw a picture. Is that 11? No. 11. Is that how we show 11? Yes. All right. 110 and 1, 1. So it would look like this, 110 and 1, 1. So if I got 10, 11, this one will work also, right? All right, I got 110 and 2 ones. Okay, count that one out and tell me if that one is considered 11. Okay, I'm going to say no because if it's 10, 11, 12, okay? All right, this one says count by tens and write the number. They want to know how many tens you have, how many ones you have, and what the number is afterwards. You guys are going to do that one by yourselves. Okay? So pause the video here if you guys want to complete it. And I'll read it to you again. Blank tens and blank ones is blank. Remember, the total number goes here, your tens go here, and your ones go here. So pause the video. Okay, let's look at number 6. Draw a model to show 49. Okay, you guys are going to do this one by yourselves. You're going to show me 49. Okay, remember the 4 is in the 10 spot. The 9 is in the 1 spot. Okay, so you can pause the video right here and you can try this. Okay, Nicole found 2 ways to make 41. Complete the list to show all the ways. Then draw a model to show one of the ways. I'm sorry, let me read that again. Then draw a model to show one of the ways. Okay, I'm going to show you with my buttons. These are my tens because they're big buttons. And this is my 1. Okay, I'm going to take one of my tens and I'm going to put it over here, but I can't keep it like that. It's too big. I have to make it smaller. So I'm going to take it away and I'm going to turn it into 10 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, how many big buttons do I have? I have 3. How many small buttons do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, they did the next one for us. They took the 2, they made it 2 buttons, 2 10 buttons, and they put this 10 over here, but we can't keep it as a big one. We have to make it as a small one. So I'm going to take the 10 button away and add 10 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 2 big buttons and 21 small buttons, and I'm going to count them to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right, I'm right. Now I'm going to take away another big button and I'm going to put it over here. But I can't leave it like this because it's a 10 button and it's not a small 1 button. So I have to break it apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, how many big buttons do I have? I have 1 10. How many small buttons do I have? A lot. So I'm going to use this to count by 10 so I don't have to count all of these. You can count them individually if you would like, but you do not have to. Okay? So 1, 11, 21, 31. All right, now we're going to do the last one. I'm going to take the last 10 button. I'm going to put it over here, but I can't leave it like that. So I'm going to take it off the board and I'm going to add another 10 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many big red buttons did I have? 0. How many small buttons do I have? A ton. So again, I'm going to count by tens, okay? 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Okay? Now I'm going to clear off my buttons. And it says, draw a model to show one of the ways. Which I think I'm going to draw the way number 3 looks. So I'm going to circle it. So I got to draw 3 tens. And 11 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, let's go back up here and let's double check number 6. Number 6 says draw the model that shows 49. I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have how many ones? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should look like that. Okay, so if you got it right, kiss your brain. All right. Count by tens and write the number. We need to find how many tens we have. Each column has 10, so I am not counting the tens, I am counting the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have any ones? Any of them that look like that? No, so 0. If tens is in the front spot and ones is in the next spot, my number should be 50. There are 50 cubes right here. If you got it right, kiss your brain. All right, kiddos, I'm going to cut this video off right here, and then you're going to have to click on the next one to see the next one, okay? So I'll see you in a little bit.